Hi guys, today I will explain how to receive crypto from Trust Wallet. This process is really simple and easy. The first thing is open the Trust Wallet application once it will be open. This one is the homepage of Trust Wallet, and here you will see multiple options like send, receive, buy, sell, and history. From here you have to click on the option to receive because we want to do it. Select that crypto which you want to receive. Just for showing you, I will select this Bitcoin. Now here are a few ways by which you can receive the amount. This one is QR code. When someone will scan this code, then he'll be able to send that crypto to your Trust Wallet account. But you can also set the amount by yourself by clicking on the option set amount. And here enter that amount which you want to receive from the other person. The next thing is you can copy the address. Once you will copy it, you can share it to WhatsApp or Facebook or any other social app. And also, if you click on this option share, then all applications which are available in your mobile will be shown, and you can share it with them. And it was the way by which you can receive crypto from Trust Wallet